Hey, it's Jeff from Corona Cigar, bringing you some pretty exciting news that we're really proud and very happy to share. Florida Sun-Grown was featured in the latest issue of Cigar Aficionado. They did a really good job of capturing the history of Florida's cigar growing tradition, sharing our farm, our story, and some of the cigars that are made with our tobaccos. The second thing I wanted to share with you is we were selected actually by Tobacco Business Magazine as the 2019 Nicaraguan Cigar of the Year, Florida Sun-Grown by Drew Estate. So we're really proud to win that award. Hats off to the guys over at Drew Estate. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your votes. We really appreciate that. So, with saying that, I thought it'd be pretty cool. Let's run a contest. We love contests. We love to give stuff away. This is one winner. We're going to give away a box of the Florida Sun-Grown limited edition, the Toros size, box press. That's the one with the broadleaf wrapper on it. We're going to give you a nice FSG table lighter, special FSG cigar holder, just to get a good shot of that. I think it's beautiful. I love the way this turned out. So it's a cigar rest. Put it on your desk, lay your cigar down, and then we're going to give you a couple of FSG farm hats in the two varieties we have, as well as a nice tumbler, and what would be best to go inside that drink, spice it up with a little bit of bourbon. Now what this is, as you guys know, we do a lot of single barrel bourbons. This is one of the single barrel samples from Buffalo Trace, so we're going to give you one of the barrel sample bottles. Put that in there and make yourself a nice little cocktail and enjoy. Be sure to click the link to enter, like the video, share it, comment, I'll write you back. Good luck, and thank you guys for all the support, and continue to smoke FSG.